2023 GMC Sierra 3500HD. With less than 14,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It's cleverly designed to maximize convenience and comfort with features such as cross-traffic alert, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, diesel fuel, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera. Take home the car of your dreams today.